初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
That sounds really good.
That sounds really good.
听起来真的很不错。
That sounds really good.
That sounds really good.
I totally get you.
I totally get you.
我完全理解你。
I totally get you.
I totally get you.
I know what you mean.
I know what you mean.
我明白你的意思。
I know what you mean.
I know what you mean.
That makes perfect sense.
That makes perfect sense.
这完全说得通。
That makes perfect sense.
That makes perfect sense.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
我同意你的看法。
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I feel the same way.
I feel the same way.
我有同感。
I feel the same way.
I feel the same way.
I see your point.
I see your point.
我明白你的观点。
I see your point.
I see your point.
That's interesting to hear.
That's interesting to hear.
听到这个很有趣。
That's interesting to hear.
That's interesting to hear.
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
我之前不知道这个。
I didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
Really? That's surprising.
Really? That's surprising.
真的吗？这很令人惊讶。
Really? That's surprising.
Really? That's surprising.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
哦，那挺酷的。
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
That's new to me.
That's new to me.
这对我来说是新的。
That's new to me.
That's new to me.
I'm glad you shared.
I'm glad you shared.
我很高兴你分享了。
I'm glad you shared.
I'm glad you shared.
Thanks for telling me.
Thanks for telling me.
谢谢你告诉我。
Thanks for telling me.
Thanks for telling me.
I appreciate your honesty.
I appreciate your honesty.
我欣赏你的诚实。
I appreciate your honesty.
I appreciate your honesty.
I understand your view.
I understand your view.
我理解你的看法。
I understand your view.
I understand your view.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you.
我为你感到高兴。
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy for you.
That's amazing news.
That's amazing news.
这是个惊人的消息。
That's amazing news.
That's amazing news.
That must feel great.
That must feel great.
那感觉一定很棒。
That must feel great.
That must feel great.
I'm excited for you.
I'm excited for you.
我为你感到兴奋。
I'm excited for you.
I'm excited for you.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that.
听到这个我很难过。
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm sorry to hear that.
That must be hard.
That must be hard.
那一定很难。
That must be hard.
That must be hard.
I hope things get better.
I hope things get better.
我希望情况会好转。
I hope things get better.
I hope things get better.
I'm here for you.
I'm here for you.
我在这里支持你。
I'm here for you.
I'm here for you.
You can tell me anything.
You can tell me anything.
你可以告诉我任何事情。
You can tell me anything.
You can tell me anything.
I won't judge you.
I won't judge you.
我不会评判你。
I won't judge you.
I won't judge you.
I support your choice.
I support your choice.
我支持你的选择。
I support your choice.
I support your choice.
That's really thoughtful.
That's really thoughtful.
这真的很体贴。
That's really thoughtful.
That's really thoughtful.
That's very kind of you.
That's very kind of you.
你真是太好了。
That's very kind of you.
That's very kind of you.
I appreciate your time.
I appreciate your time.
感谢你花时间。
I appreciate your time.
I appreciate your time.
I enjoyed talking today.
I enjoyed talking today.
我很享受今天的谈话。
I enjoyed talking today.
I enjoyed talking today.
Let's talk again soon.
Let's talk again soon.
我们很快再聊。
Let's talk again soon.
Let's talk again soon.
I like your idea.
I like your idea.
我喜欢你的想法。
I like your idea.
I like your idea.
That's a smart choice.
That's a smart choice.
这是个明智的选择。
That's a smart choice.
That's a smart choice.
You explained it well.
You explained it well.
你解释得很好。
You explained it well.
You explained it well.
I understand it now.
I understand it now.
我现在明白了。
I understand it now.
I understand it now.
Thanks for your patience.
Thanks for your patience.
谢谢你的耐心。
Thanks for your patience.
Thanks for your patience.
I learned something today.
I learned something today.
我今天学到了一些东西。
I learned something today.
I learned something today.
I'm glad we talked.
I'm glad we talked.
我很高兴我们谈了话。
I'm glad we talked.
I'm glad we talked.
You made my day.
You made my day.
你让我今天很开心。
You made my day.
You made my day.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。